one is Hamza, okay, and after that Ba, and third one is Dal, okay. Dal have two zabar on top of it, and the previous one is Ba has one zabar on top of it, and Hamza has one zabar on top of it, okay. So now you read this lesson like that, first letter, and then you read the second letter, then you read together. So what made up these two letters? Like Hamza Zabar A, Ba Zabar Ba. Now you read without spelling these two letters, A Ba, like that. Its sound is A, and the second sound is Ba. A Ba, A Ba. Then you read the third one. Dal two Zabar then,
Assalamu
Abadan.
alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my channel Quran Learning Zone. I hope you are doing well. So today we will start from the sixth lesson of Noorani Qaida. And in this lesson we will exercise of Harakat and Tanween. Harakat, you know that Zabar, Zir, Pesh, and Tanween, two Zabar, two Zir, and two Pesh. Okay? In this lesson, you have to know how to read the word with spelling. For example, you can see on your screen here is Abadan. It's spelled just like Hamza Zabar A, and the next Ba Zabar Ba. You have to read both letters in lesson number 4. Okay? And now read the both letters joining with our spelling like its sound is Aba, Aba, and next one is here Dal to Zabar. Then you have to read this in lesson number 5th, and now you read all the letters joining with our spelling. Okay, its sound is abadan. You read like that, abadan, abadan. Okay, and the next one is here Hamza Zabar a, ha Zabar ha, aha, dal to pesh dun, ahadun, ahadun. Okay, you read like that. The next one, and the next one is here Hamza Zabar a, kha Zabar kha, zal Zabar za, akhaza. Okay, read with me carefully. That is very important lesson. Okay, and that is not a difficult if you listen to very carefully. And the next one is here Hamza Zabar a, zal Zir zi, azi, noon Zabar na, azina. First you read with spelling, and after that you read without spelling. Okay, Hamza Zabar a, Mim Zabar ma. Now you read together. So what made up these two words? Ama, and the next one Ra Zabar ra. Its made is Amara, Amara. Okay, and the next one is here Hamza Zabar a, and Noon Zabar na. Alif is a silent letter here. Okay, like that. Ana, because Alif is a silent letter here. And the next one is here. The first letter is Ba. Three letters here. The first one is Ba because you know that Ba has one dot on the bottom, and you can see on the top of Ba there is a Zabar sign. Okay, Ba Zabar Ba. And the next one is here Kha Zir Khi, Ba Khi. And the third Lam Zabar La. Now you read together Bakhila. Its sound is Bakhila. Okay. And the next one is here Ba Zabar Ba, Ra Zabar Ra. Now you read together Bara. And the next one is also Ra, Ra Zabar Ra. Now you read together these three letters Barara, Barara, Tatu Zirtin. So its made is Bararatin, Bararatin. Okay, so the next one is here Jim Zaberja, Ain Zabar. Now you read together Jar. And the next one Lam Zabarla, Ja'ala, Ja'ala. Okay, the next one is here Jim Zaberja, Mim Zaberma, Jama, Ain Zabar, Jama'ar. Its made is Jama'ar,
jama'a. And the next one is here, ha zabar ha, sin zabar sa. Now you read together, harsa. And the third one is here, dal zabar da. Okay, so its made is harsada, harsada. And the next one is here, ha zabar ha, shin zabar sha, harsha. And the third one, ra zabar ra, its made is harshara, harshara. Okay, so the next one is here, kha zabar kha, shin zir shi, khashi, ya zabar ya, its made is khashiya, khashiya. And the next one is here, kha zabar kha, lam zabar la, khala, khala. And the last one, qaf zabar qa, khalaqa. You read this word very carefully because the first letter is bold and the second letter is light. Lam is a light letter and the third one is here qaf, and qaf is also a bold letter. Okay, you read like that, khalaqa, khalaqa. And the next one same, khapish khu, lam jeli, khuli, qaf zabar qa, khuliqa. Its made is khuliqa. Okay, and the next one is here, zal zabar za, kaf zabar ka, zaka, ra zabar ra, zakara. Its made is zakara. And the next one, ra zabar ra, fa zabar fa, rafa, ain zabar a, rafa'a. Its made is rafa'a. That is very easy lesson. You just listen to me carefully. Okay, ra zabar ra, qaf zabar qa, raqa. And the next one is here, ba zabar ba, raqaba, tatu zirtin. Now you read together, raqabatin. Okay, so please, this is your homework and you practice this lesson again by listening and watching this video. That is very important lesson. If you can read this lesson, then you can read the whole of Qaida. Okay, that is very important for you. And thank you for watching my video. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.